Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you can download and install the application Visual Studio Code. If you have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, or even 12, go to your search tab and type Store. You will see Microsoft Store application. Click on it to open and wait until it fully loads the main page. Next step, go to Search Apps and type Microsoft Studio Code and hit enter. Or Visual Studio Code. So with Visual Studio Code, you should be able to see it on the first line of results. So here we have Visual Studio Code. Click on it to be redirected to the main page from Microsoft or provided and updated by Microsoft Corporation. So this is the official one. Click Install. At this stage, the download and installation process is automatic and you will not have to do anything. And once the application is ready to be used, you need to click Open, but you will see the Open button available in a bit. I'll pause the video here and I will take back once everything is done to show you the next step. So now the application has been downloaded and installed, but for some reason the Open button is not available. It's not a big problem. Just go back to the search tab and type Visual Studio Code. You'll see the app. Click on it to open and the application should open for you. Here we go, and it's loading. As you can see, and here get started with Visual Studio Code and you can choose what would you like to do. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.